What color is this dress? Has been the question buzzing around social media, with some answering this question as either white and gold or blue and black. The person asked might answer the question in one of the two ways. What color does the dress appear to be? Might be one implication of the question. Another might be regardless of how the dress appears in this photo, what color do you guess the dress might be?
In vision, context is everything. The spiking neurons of the eye, called retinal ganglion cells, encode images based on contrast within the image rather than its brightness. This is a wonderful system for keeping perceptions stable across a wide range of light levels we encounter, but it does produce some wicked illusions like this one. The horizontal bar in the center has the same intensity throughout, but it does not appear to be so because it is superimposed on a gradient that changes the local perception of the image as your eyes scan around it. The local contrast can promote the perception as a dark bar on a light background or as a light bar on the dark. This dichotomy can be explained by interactions that occur within the retinal ganglion cells that encode contrast through receptive fields that can produce a sum of the local contrast but respond less vigorously when uniformly lit.
Religions point out that what our brain learns about the world can strongly influence our perception of what we encounter in it. For most people, the lower polygon is lighter in gray than the one above, but they are actually of equal illuminance.
The illusions shown here makes a similar point that our expectations powerfully influence our perception. A and B in the figure are the same value of gray. In this case, it's not the local contrast, but rather our expectations of how grays in the shadow should appear.
The retinal ganglion cells possess color sensitivities that work in opposition to one another. One of two dogs that appear very different on a first glance, but upon removing the background, they look like this. The tendency to contextualize color perhaps explains why there might be differences of opinion regarding the color of the dress. We might assume, based on the overexposed background, that the foreground image was darker than normal. Then the dress was deeper in shadow, or the lighting had a particular set of qualities based on our
In
experience.
an interview, one scientist said, our visual system is supposed to throw away information about the illuminant and extract information about the actual reflectance. But I have studied individual differences in color vision for 30 years, and this is one of the biggest individual differences I have ever seen. There have been so many theories regarding this, but none of them successfully explained why different people see differently.